Alright, quick video. The refrigerator stopped cooling, and I looked up on YouTube. It said that it might be the relays because it'll turn on and then it'll click and then turn off. The fans were working. It's been dirty, still dirty, but the inside will turn on. Everything will turn on, but just when it's cool. So I ordered these on Amazon. This is the replacement. Not sure if it's the exact everything, but this is the brand new part. It comes in 2 pieces. I already loosened everything there. It was tough to get out of the pliers. I used pliers, and then I'm gonna replace it. Hopefully it works. So these are really hard to get out. You gotta be careful not to break them. I used pliers already. Okay. And this guy. Alright, so one, I mean, it still looks good. But maybe the insides are fried. I don't know. We do get a few power outages every once in a while, but I digress. Let's put her in. This is a GE refrigerator. Alright, seems like it's good. No, I should have heard click once I plug this in. But let's see. It's in there. You click, I can click. I think it's the hands free now, but that's the next step. I mean, this would get hot, but I think that's what it's for. This fan blowing doing it too hot. Okay, it feels cool. But if you can, clean it. Maybe I'll clean it, maybe I won't. And this fridge for maybe 6 years. It's still, this is the longest it's been on. I mean, I have the fridge out. Turned on for about 24 hours. But check on it, see if it works. Thanks for watching. Alright, looks like it's freezing. I don't know if you can see that. It's a success. If you're wondering. That's the make and model. Everything's pretty chill. Alright. Yeah.